Well, question po, pasuko ka na ba? Well, if yes, alam mo ba, yung mga araw na tinatamad ka na, yan yung mga araw na mas kailangan mong mag-show up lalo. Success doesn't wait for you to feel ready. Hindi ka hintayin yan. Those moments when you feel tired, that's when you need to show up and grind even harder. Hindi madali, pero yun ang daan patungo sa pinapangarap mong success. Huwag mong hayaan na ang fatigue ang magpatigil sa'yo. Gusto mong maging successful? Do the work even when you don't feel like it. Do it for yourself, for your future, for your dreams, for your family, because no one else will do it for you. Pwedeng magpahinga, pero pagkatapos magpahinga, bawal tumambay. Push through at laban ulit. Keep going because the best version of you is just around the corner. Ako man sa edad ko ito, madalas tinatamad din ako, nawawala ng pag-asa, and worse, nadidepress pa rin. And what I usually do, I detach myself sa social media. Maghihilata ako maghapon, at pag nakapahinga na ang isip ko, go na ako ulit, grind na ulit. If you know someone who needs to hear these thoughts, feel free to share this to them. If this resonates to you, well, remember to just keep going. Nangyayari talaga yan every once in a while So kaya natin yan if we feel so tamad, if we feel so depressed. Daraan at daraan din yan. Ipahinga mo lang yung utak mo. Ipahinga mo rin yung sarili mo and keep going. Bawal sumuko. Okay?